Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Diablo 4 Whistle of Hater game on your PC. Guys, first open up your end browser and just search for the Steam website and open up the Steam website. Now here you will see the login option on the right hand top. So just click on the login option. Now here guys, simply sign into your account, and if you don't have an account then just create. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Now guys, simply download the Steam and install it in your PC, and this is also very simple and easy. So once you install the Steam, then open it, then click on the top search box and just type here the Diablo 4 Whistle of Hater. Now this game appear on the top, so just open up this game, which is the Whistle of Hater. And now here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to cart. So this game was not available, but you can pre-purchase it if you want to pre-purchase. Now this game is coming on 8 October. Just click on the view my cart option. Now to download this game, you have to first download the Diablo 4 game on your PC. So just click on the Diablo 4 game and just first download the Diablo 4 on your PC. Then you are able to download the Whistle of Hated version of Diablo 4 game. Now here just scroll down and click on the option of add to cart, then click on the option of continue to payment. Now guys, here simply pay with your PayPal or any other card you have, and once you pay the amount, now the game was added to your Steam library. Just click on your Diablo 4 game, then just click on the install, and then just download and install the Whistle of Hater game if you want to download the Whistle of Hater Diablo 4 version of the game. Now if you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.